Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use a nationwide card reader in 2025. So first of all, you need to come to the nationwide website and create an account and log into your profile. So let's get into how to use the card reader. So first of all, you have to place your nationwide debit card into the reader with the chip facing up and towards you. And after that, press the appropriate button based on your action. Like for logging into online banking, sign for setting up or modifying payments, and respond for confirming changes to personal details or viewing certain documents. After that, you have to enter your PIN, that is 4-digit card PIN, and press OK. And after that, if prompt, input the challenge code displayed on your online banking screen into the reader or press OK. After that, the reader will display a unique 8-digit passcode. And after that, you have to complete the authentication by entering this passcode into the corresponding field on your online banking page. So for note, I am saying when entering monetary amounts into the card reader, omit the decimal point. For example, to input 1040 pound, enter 104000. The reader interprets the last two digits as pence. And let me give you some common errors messages they might show and the solutions. So card error 2 or 3 indicates an issue with your card chip. You may need to order a replacement card, and if it's a wrong card, the card inserted doesn't match the one associated with the transaction. Ensure you're using the correct card. And after that, replace the two CR2032 batteries in the reader and pin locked call issuer. You have entered the wrong pin 3 times. You have to contact Nationwide to unlock your pin. For a detailed list of error messages and their meanings, refer to Nationwide's official guide. And after that, if you need a new reader, you can visit a branch. Most nationwide branches have card readers available in immediate pickup, and you can also order via online. Request a card reader through your online banking account and it will be mailed to you within approximately 5 days. So why you need a card reader? So we'll ask you to use your card reader if you need to pay someone new in their internet bank and change your personal details. And you can use it for online shopping and all. And that's it for today, guys. See you on the next video.